Hip. Oh no, I got hiccups. I drinking bunch of Pepsis, so I'm gonna tell my brother Caillou about this. Caillou, come here.
What is it, Rosie?
Hip. I think I am sick. I got hiccups. Wah.
Oh my goodness. I will tell my dad about this. Dad, come here. What is it, Caillou? Look like did something. My sister Rosie is sick because she has hiccups. Oh Jesus. I gave the medicine for hiccups. Don't worry, Rosie. You'll be okay. Here's your pill and bottle of water.
Okay, thanks, Daddy. There. I swallow the pill and drinking water.
So Rosie, stay in your bed and sleep. We hope you feel better.
Thanks, Daddy.